Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we would like to see the program encoding strings. For example, the given string is this A, C, C, D, A. In this, it will count each of the character. For example, A will occur 4 times, so it will print 4A. Then B will be 3 times, 3B. C will be 2 times, 2C, 1D. Again, there will be A, it's 2D. Likewise, we have to encode the program. As usual, we start the program by getting string as input sc.nest. Here I will consider this A, B, C, C. Char C is equal to s1 dot caret of 0. String index start from 0. For this, here C is equal to A. Initially, we initialize the count value as 1. Then the for loop starts with I equal to 1. Here we store A, it will start from here, 0, 1, this A. If C equal to S1 dot caret of 1, here it means if C is equal to A, comma, S1 dot S1 dot caret of 1 equal to A. So the condition satisfy A equal to A. Count will get incremented. Already the count is 1. Now the count is 2. After that, I will get incremented to 2. S1 dot caret of 2 is also A. S1 dot caret of 2 is also A. So the count will get increment to 3. Consider this example. So here the S1 dot caret of 1 is A, 2 is also A. So count will get incremented to 3. After that, count will get, I is 3 now. For 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is B. So here S1 dot caret of 3 is B. So it will not satisfy the condition. A is not equal to B. So it will go for else part. In else part, the count will get printed as 3. Already the count is incremented to 3. So it will print 3. In C, which character will store initially? A. So it will print A. Printer. Then count is reassigned to 1. Then in C, we will store the current value. The current value is 3. S1 dot caret of 3 is B. So in C, it will store. Now C is equal to B. Okay, then it will go for next iteration. Next iteration, I is equal to 4. For I is equal to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The value is C. Now C is B. C is B, S1 dot caret of 4 is C. So it will not satisfy the condition. It again come here. Then count is initially the 1. Count is 1. And the C is in C, the value is B. So it will print B. After that, again it's initialize count as 1. Now C is equal to caret of 4 is C. Then it will come here. It will come now I is equal to 5. For I is equal to 5, C is equal to C. Then S1 dot caret of 5 equal to C. It satisfies the condition. So it count is initially here 1. The count will get to 2. Count equal to 2. After that, I value will not satisfy the for loop condition. So it comes outside the loop and print the count is actually it's a count is C count is 2. 2 and the C value is C. So it will print, there is no print ln. So it will print in the same line like this. 3A, 1B, 2C. Likewise, the output will get printed. Shall we run the program? It will print like this: 3A, 1B, and 2C. We also print this example. It will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 4A, then 3B, then 2C, then 1D, 2A. That's all for today. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.